Welcome. In today's video, we will talk about destination tags. So one thing we notice when we send a transaction, for example, from this account to the other one. So I'm going to send one xrp from the Dev2 account to a main account. And when I try to do that, we have the ability to define a destination tag. And is it dangerous? Do we need that, or do we not need that? And why is it even there? The answer to all these questions is that if you send xrp from one account to another account when both are non-custodial, meaning that they are, for example, your wallets in whatever, so that they are your accounts managed in any wallet, then the destination tag doesn't matter. You don't have to define it, but you can also enter whatever you want to. So it doesn't matter, you can just enter anything in there. Because the destination tag is just some additional information. It has nothing to do with if it will go to the account or not, because the place where it will go is definitely the account where you define it to. The destination tag is only being used, usually, by exchanges or by other services, which where you have so-called, well, let's call it shared wallets or hosted wallets, because when you want to deposit xrp, for example, to Binance, many users get the same address. So all users send it to the same address, meaning that Binance needs a way to identify and accredit the xrp I use to the right account. And right now I just transferred some xrp and they arrive here. So they did arrive on my account, and you can see here, it doesn't matter what the destination tag, like I said, is. We can also, well, if we go to the payment again, we can go to additional information. So it's, there it is, yeah. So as you can see that the payment destination tag is whatever. And there's no danger in using it if you're sending it to your own address. So the only important part is when you send it, like I said, to an exchange. Then you have to make sure that you're using the right deposit tag, so the right destination tag. Because like I said, exchanges, so for example, if we have a look at Binance, I don't know which one they're using, but let's look at the one here. They're incoming, deposits. And you can see here, the Binance uses a shared wallet here. So when I try to deposit XRP, or any other user tries to deposit XRP, we all have to send it to the same address. So now we have the problem, how does Binance know which deposit, so when it's being sent in from somebody, where to accredit that? And that's where the destination tag comes in. Every user gets a unique destination tag, like you get a unique destination tag and whatever everybody else. And when Binance sees a deposit coming in, it doesn't care from where it is, but it will just check, well, to which destination tag is it? Well, to that one here. Then it looks up its internal database, which user did I give the destination tag 4 or 8, whatever. Then it looks up the user. Knows, okay, yeah, this is the account of xrpdev. Well, yeah, there you go. And it accredits 196 point whatever XRP to the user's balance internally. Yeah, that's what the destination tags are for. So this field is unimportant in regards to the xrp ledger. The xrp ledger doesn't do anything with it. So if you enter a destination tag, the xrp ledger just transmits the data, but it doesn't behave any differently in sending the payment, like I said. The only difference is, like I said, when it's being processed by other services, which have lookup and they want, like I said, to accredit certain. To accredit it to the users, then Binance is using that. And if you don't define the destination tag, Binance will not know where to accredit the XRP I use. And then they're not able to give it, well, to add the balance to your Binance account or to any other account you're using. So, for example, also Coinbase or Poloniex or Pitcher or whatever. Yeah, that's what destination tags are. So like I said, you can always write into these whatever you want to. If you're sending it from one of your wallets to another one, like I said, this field is unimportant. So if I send, like I said, XRP from one of my accounts to the other one, which are both non-custodial, so both are managed by me, then it's no problem. Then I can, like I said, enter any number I want to. So whatever, so kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Whatever. So like I said, it doesn't matter. And only if you send it, like I said, to other services which have these pool accounts where everybody has the same deposit address, then it's very important, because if you don't define it, then you have to contact the support, and the support has to figure it out with you. So because then it can't be processed automatically. Because if you enter the destination tag, the Binance backend services can check that and they can automatically accredit it to you. But if it's not defined, it's impossible for the system to know where to accredit it to. Alright, so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful and see you in the next one.